Question number 7 and question number 8 and question number 10 both are belongs to shortest distance problems. Shortest distance problems. But shortest distance problems means simply up to the stage we want to consider as this is xy line. XY line is refers to this is the intersection of VP and HP. Now with respect to these planes we want to go front view top view only, but now onward shortest distance means the distance from the profile plane. So anywhere first we want to draw the profile plane PP. PP means the plane which occupies to draw the side view. This is profile plane. Profile plane means PP. So here the intersection of this point is intersection of HP and VP and PP. This is called O. O is the intersection of HP and VP and PP. So from here how much gap is there? This distance is called as shortest distance. See, remember that. For every shortest distance problem we want to draw XY line plus PP line where the intersects that point you want to consider the point of intersection. From this point of intersection we want to consider the shortest distance. So that's why here now we want to go first question number 7. The point P is 20 millimeter below HP and lies in third quadrant. When the point lies in third quadrant, top view is above XY line, front view is below XY line. See, remember that. Here first to draw the XY line. Draw XY line. Here point P is 20 millimeter below HP. So 20 millimeter below HP. So this is P dash. This gap is 20 millimeter. 20 millimeter. But how much behind of is not given. Why? Because this is in third quadrant. That's why top view is, it must be above XY line only. But how much it is not given. That's why first indicate them. But its shortest distance from XY is 40 millimeter. That's why from this projector so much of gap. Here there is no restriction. Just give some distance. Then you want to draw PP line. Nothing but profile plane line. This is O. So that's why always you remember that front view and side view both occupy the same side of XY. So this is the front view. So that's why you want to extend from P dash in this way. Parallel to XY line you want to extend it. Here the point of intersection is this one. From here shortest distance is 40. Take compass, O is center, 40 millimeter gap, you want to cut this line. So this gap is 40 millimeter. 40 millimeter. This is called as shortest distance. This is the front view. That's why the point is this is P double S. Why? Because this is side view. Once you got the side view, then extend vertically. It touches here. Then O center up to this radius. This is the radius. You want to rotate in this way. Like arc. Rotate in the direction. Now extend horizontally. Where it touches. Here this is point P. So here draw projections means you want to draw front view and top view of a point. This is the front view. This is the top view. This is the side view. This is called shortest distance. Suppose this is in, suppose here, remember that question number 10. Here Q is shortest distance first quadrant. First quadrant means front view is above, top view is below. It is 40 millimeter above HP, 30 millimeter in front of VP. So suppose you want to go question number 10. See, just give the hints here. XY. Here 40 millimeter above HP. 40 millimeter above HP. So this is Q. So this is 40 millimeter above HP and 30 millimeter in front of VP. 30 millimeter in front of VP. This is Q. 30 millimeter in front of VP. In front of VP. Draw its projections. Find the shortest distance from the intersection of HP, VP and auxiliary plane. Auxiliary plane nothing but simply profile plane. Auxiliary plane is nothing but profile plane. This is another name of profile plane. So that's why once here in the previous problem shortest distance is given, but in this problem shortest distance is not given. You want to find out shortest distance. That's why from this projector wherever your interest, just you want to draw profile plane. profile plane. But this is front view. Side view lies on the side of this wave only. That's why you want to extend q dash. How much we don't know. Just extend it. And top view, this is top view. So here you want to extend it up to here. Up to here, this is O. Already you know this is O. So you want to extend q parallel to xy up to here. Now by using compass, this is center, this is radius. You want to rotate it in this way. In this way. Now here you want to extend vertically where it touches. So here this is q double dash. Q double dash. This distance you want to find out. This is called shortest distance. O q dash is the shortest distance. So O q dash, q double dash is the shortest distance. You want to measure and you want to indicate shortest distance is how much millimeter you want to write down. So here compare these two problems. In this problem shortest distance is given plus this is in third quadrant, but here shortest distance is not given, but this is in first quadrant. First quadrant means front view above, top view below. Third quadrant means front view below, top view is above. See, remember that here rotation is in this way. This is quite opposite to these two words. Next goes to question number 9. So question number 9 here, 0.30 millimeter above xy line is the plan view. Plan view is nothing but top view. Why? Because plan is also called as top view. And 2 points, elevation is nothing but front view. Why? Because elevation and front view both give the same meaning, both are synonyms. Plan view and top view both are synonyms. So q is 35 millimeter below HP. Draw the projections of the points, state their position which reference to the principal planes, quadrant in which they lie. So yeah, like in the previous problem, see, remember that question number 5, you want to take the tabular form, point A to a position of the point, quadrant in which lie. Here also you want to first draw the projections. Based upon the projections, now indicate the fill this gap. So suppose the point is here xy, PQ, points are PQ, so the point is P. So that's why here question number 9, first you want to draw in this way. So one tabular form. So here point, position, so quadrant, this is point P, this is point Q. But before that, based upon the given data, so this is xy line, see, 0.30 millimeter above xy is the plan view of 2 points P and Q. Plan view means top view. P and Q 30 millimeter above xy. So here above xy 30 millimeter. This gap is 30 millimeter. Small p, small q. Why? Because top view of P, small p, top view of Q, small q, both are 30 millimeter above xy. The elevation of P, front view of P is 45 millimeter above HP. All this 30 is there. Once again you want to extend one more 15. So this is T dash. So total is 45. So this total is 45. See, this is 30 is given already. We want to extend one more 15. Total is 45. This is P dash. And the point Q is 35 millimeter below HP. So here you want to extend 35. So this is Q. This gap is 35 millimeter below XY. So based upon these projections, you want to fill this tabular form. Suppose the point is P. So for P, front view is here. This is P, that is 45 millimeter above XY. 45 millimeter above HP. So P is here 30 millimeter behind of VP. So above HP and behind of VP means this is in second quadrant. Suppose Q is front view. This is front view. Front view means 35 millimeter below HP. 35 millimeter below HP. And Q 30 millimeter behind of VP. 35 millimeter behind of VP. Below HP and behind of VP means this is in third quadrant. So first you want to draw the projections. Based upon these projections, first you want to allocate the position. Based upon the position, you want to say which quadrant in which lie. Why? Because in previous problem we know that here this is above HP, behind of VP, below HP, behind of VP. So this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant. That's why based upon this given data, we conclude that point P is in the second quadrant, point Q is in third quadrant. Suppose you want to go at question number 8, here this is equidistance from the principal planes. Equidistance means you want to take the angle here, the angle is 45, angle is 45. Why? Because here you should not given the point is in first quadrant, but you should not given the distances. So continue.